All right, guys, let's talk about this. Lots of FUD, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt around MicroStrategy's guidance given on July 31st on their earnings call as it relates to when they are going to sell MicroStrategy common shares. And there were four levels that they discussed, and I'm going to come back to that. And then on August 18th, Michael Saylor posted that they've made some changes to what they posted at their earnings call. And it was really minor. It's in blue in two areas, and I'm going to come back to that. So let me explain real quickly what they said. If their share price were below 210 or below MNAV of 1.0, they primarily would not be selling MSTR. Okay. Now, the second layer is where the controversy is. If their shares are below $600 or their MNAV is below 2.5, right here, they reserve the right. So, this is how it's said: strategy will not issue MSTR except to number one, pay interest on debt obligations, and two, fund preferred equity dividends. This is very important. And then, of course, there's layer three, where MNAV is over 4. And then over here is absolutely on 4.0 or more MNAV they will be selling. So come August 18th, Michael Saylor posted and said they made a change to down here. Well, what are the changes? Well, if you read the first sentence, it says strategy will tactically issue MSTR. Think about that. Over here, this says strategy will not issue MSTR except to. It means the same thing, okay? Now, the amendment really came, they didn't change anything on number one. It's the same. Right here, number one is the same. On number two, it said fund preferred equity dividends, and over here it says fund preferred equity dividends. Now, and they added number three. So in number three, it says when otherwise deemed advantageous to the company. I hope you can see that. When otherwise deemed advantageous to the company. That is all they added, guys. This is not a big deal. Of course, they're not going to sell MSTR if it doesn't make any sense. So they were going to sell it anyways. And I'm going to link a video where I actually explain it is okay. It is okay to sell MSTR below 2.5 at 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, no issues. And take a look at that video. It's a very detailed Excel spreadsheet that I talk about it. So guys, this is really about nothing. People are just taking advantage of things being low, and they're trying to create FUD to short MSTR or just trying to do quick trade in and out. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you liked what I had to say, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and go from there. Take care. Thank you.